Meadows Bee Farm to see our baby calf, Millie. We're going to walk them out to pasture and take a look, and you can watch her play. It's a very exciting time. Millie is 1 week old. She was born to Mercy. It's Mercy's 7th calf, and Mercy is 10 years old. So come on out, let's take a look and see what they do. Our calves on the biodynamic farm. We let the calves stay with their mom. For the first week or two, she's with her mom exclusively and our other cow, Rosie. We then at night will start putting Millie into a crib so that we can milk Mercy once a day in the morning, and the whole rest of the time Millie will get the milk. We will keep Millie for 2 months here. Always just being with her mom. Her mom will train her and teach her how to be a cow. So we find it's a really nice way. It's much healthier for the calf. It makes the cow very happy, and it's fun for all of us. We all like to have these little things running around the farm, and yeah, we think it works. So that's how I was trained to raise cows on a biodynamic farm. When we take cows out to pasture, they really like to take their own sweet time. They will move, but it's very hard to move a 1-ton cow. It's easier if you stand behind them because they always want to go in the opposite direction.
They're my size.
Come on, we gotta go.
The sheep want her to come play. No, we're not playing. We're not playing. we've had cows here for about 14 years. We typically have between 2 and 5 cows. 2 is really our sweet spot. If we could milk 2 cows, we get enough milk for our community. It allows us to keep the calves. As you can see, this is a really nice way to allow a relationship to develop between a cow, a calf, and all of us here at Meadows Bee Farm. We make milk, we make cheese, and we don't need to take all the milk from our cows, which allows the calves to have plenty of milk for themselves. We do raise cows for meat as well, and this makes a much healthier, heartier cow in the long run. And it allows us to be sustainable here, only using what we really need, but getting enough that we can provide our own food. The oldest cow we've ever had has been a 16-year-old cow who was bred until her 16th year. Stay tuned and we will keep looking at all the other animals we have here on this farm, because we do also raise sheep. We raise chickens and peacocks and turkeys. We have honeybees. We have a whole educational program where we can show how to create, or we can attempt to show how we attempt to create abundant health through raising animals, providing what this ground has to offer, and sustaining ourselves.